Howdy, July 2nd, Supernova Design Company. Jesse here, Portland, Oregon, checking in. It's July 2nd, so happy birthday, my buddy Jake. We got a quick review from yesterday. We fixed the alignment, rotation, and getting the whole thing squared during the fit up. We still are struggling with TIG arcing on the sidewalls. That is getting manageable. We're going to do an experiment today with the TIG welder. We ordered some 0.03 wire and some hardware for the tip to make that work. I also realized I ordered the wrong plug cutter, so I have plugs that won't fit in holes. Big circle doesn't fit in a small circle. Focus today is it's a serial focus day. We're waiting on parts to try some experiments, MIG parts specifically. We're going to do some non-work stuff related to things I mentioned, which don't really need to be here. We also got some non-shop work regarding some automations and getting this video creation stuff streamlined. Certain things are starting to feel repetitive. When they start feeling repetitive, that's time to automate it, and we're going to work on that. And once we do get into the shop, we're going to try the tested. God damn it, dude. We got the braided wire ordered, so we're going to check the grounding, not check the grounding, just make better grounding with the corner brackets, because we can't put them not on the floor, on the workbench. Going to get that MIG test done on a little, on a test piece, see what that looks like, and then move forward with getting the thing assembled and finished. Challenges today, me talking apparently is a challenge. Drifting, what do I got here for a challenge? Drift into education over production. What does that mean? So yeah, learning lots of new stuff. I sometimes go deeper than I need to go to make progress. Curious person, need to watch that. Other challenges, not prioritizing making the kitchen racks, which I think is just an offshoot of the first thing I said. So speaking of focus, let's go do it. All right, Jesse back again. What did we get done today? Personal stuff. It's kind of on hold waiting on emails. We did clean our desk. We got a vision done for the company to use for some of the AI work. We also got digital information file created and a AI security chat created. All these things because the MIG stuff didn't show up today. Not going to go too much on all the fuck, dude. We also did some shoe shopping with the kiddos, got some good sales. That worked out good. The MIG stuff arrived later in the day. It's in the shop, ready to go. What I learned today, AI could waste as much time as it saves. The better context and constraints that you give it, the better your answers are going to be. I think I like Claude more than ChatGPT, but I had a paid subscription for GPT for a while, and it was the kind of the best all around at the time, but it just goes on and on about stuff. What's next? Tomorrow we got our MIG tests and back to kitchen racks. That's it. Long day. I could barely talk. Not that I could ever talk well. Anyway, have a good one.